Good day, everyone. In this topic, we will delve into learning about chaparral ecosystem. The chaparral ecosystem is characterized by its Mediterranean climate and dense growth of drought-resistant shrubs. It is critical habitat for diverse flora and fauna. This presentation aims to delve the unique features and ecological significance of the chaparral ecosystem, highlighting the importance in the ecosystem. The chaparral region experiences a Mediterranean climate with wild, rainy winters and long, hot and dry summers. This climate pattern significantly influences the vegetation and wildlife in the chaparral ecosystem, shaping the adaptation of organisms to survive in the arid condition. Now, for its elevation and topography. Chaparral ecosystems are typically located at moderate elevations and characterized by its rugged topography with rocky terrain. The elevations and topographical features play a critical role in determining the distribution and diversity of plant and animal species within the chaparral habitat.
Moving on to the next topic, we will discuss about the substrate in chaparral. The substrate, comprising soil and rocks in chaparral regions, provides essential support for plant growth and ecosystem dynamics. Understanding the composition and properties of the substrate is fundamental to comprehending the unique adaptations of plants in the chaparral ecosystem. Next, we have the dominant flora in chaparral. The chaparral ecosystem is dominated by dense growth of drought-resistant, spiny evergreen shrubs that have evolved specialized adaptations to thrive in arid conditions. These plants play a vital role in maintaining the ecosystem's stability and resilience, showcasing the unique flora of the chaparral's habitat. We also have the fauna of the chaparral. A diverse array of animal species inhabit the chaparral's ecosystem, each with distinct adaptations to survive in a challenging environment. The interactions between fauna and flora in chaparral underscore the intricate ecological relationships that contribute to the biodiversity and ecological balance of the ecosystem. We also have the distribution of chaparral's ecosystem. The chaparral ecosystems are predominantly found in coastal regions with Mediterranean climates worldwide. Understanding the distribution patterns of chaparral is crucial for conservation efforts and biodiversity preservation, enabling effective protection and management of these valuable habitats.
Organisms have evolved remarkable adaptations to cope with the frequent wildfires that occur in this biome. Some adaptations in plants are having the ability to store food reserves in their fire-resistant root crowns. During drought or after a fire, when above-ground vegetation may be damaged, then they can rely on the food reserves to support new growth and survival. Another one is fire-dependent germination, wherein seeds only germinate after exposure to intense heat. The intense heat and destruction caused creates open spaces and nutrient-rich soil, providing opportunity for the seeds to grow without competition. As for the animals, one of their adaptations is regulating blood temperature by controlling blood flow to their large ears. These animals include jackrabbits and mule deer. These animals can increase blood flow to their ears, which have a large surface area and are relatively hairless. By increasing blood flow, they can transfer heat from their bodies to their ears, where it can be dissipated into the surrounding air. This helps to cool down their body temperature and prevent overheating. Human activities pose significant threats to the chaparral ecosystem, including habitat destruction and fragmentation. Conservation efforts are essential to address these environmental concerns and ensure the long-term sustainability of chaparral regions. By raising awareness and implementing conservation strategies, we can protect the biodiversity and ecological integrity of chaparral ecosystems, highlighting the importance of environmental conservation in chaparral habitats. Effective fire management and prevention are critical challenges in the chaparral ecosystem. While the vegetation is adapted to and maintained by periodic fires, uncontrolled fires can lead to ecological imbalances and habitat destruction. Post fire ecological recovery is essential for restoring the ecosystem's health and biodiversity, emphasizing the need for sustainable fire management practices. Additionally, the hazard of flooding following fires poses risks to the ecosystem and surrounding communities, highlighting the interconnected challenges faced by the chaparral regions. In conclusion, the chaparral ecosystem is a unique and valuable habitat that requires our attention and conservation efforts. By understanding the climate, elevation, topography, substrate, flora, fauna, and adaptations of organisms in chaparral regions, we can better appreciate and protect this ecologically rich environment. Addressing environmental concerns such as habitat destruction and fire management, and implementing sustainable conservation practices are essential for ensuring the long term health and resilience of the chaparral ecosystem. Let us unite in safeguarding and cherishing the wonders of the chaparral habitat for future generations to cherish and enjoy.